Why can a simple bank statement feel almost dangerous? Because money does not just affect your wallet. It affects your brain. And for millions of people, money stress can feel like a constant background threat. Not just when bills are due, but all the time. In the United States, money is one of the biggest sources of stress and anxiety. And this is not only about being broke. People with stable incomes can feel it too. Because money anxiety is not just about numbers. It is about uncertainty. It is about control. And it is about what money seems to say about your future. To understand why money causes so much anxiety, we need to look at 6 connected forces. Your survival brain, your mental overload, your childhood money beliefs, your built-in thinking biases, your social comparisons, and the economic system around you. When these forces combine, money stops feeling like math. It starts feeling like danger. Money is a modern tool, but the human brain is much older. So when money feels unstable, your brain often reacts as if your safety is unstable too. That is why financial stress can feel so intense, even before anything has actually gone wrong. When a surprise bill shows up, or income suddenly drops, your brain can switch into survival mode. It treats the threat as urgent. Your stress system turns on. Your body becomes more alert. Your mind becomes more fearful. This is useful in a physical emergency, but it is not very helpful when you need to think clearly. Because once that alarm system is active, logic gets weaker. Planning gets harder. And even small money problems can start to feel overwhelming. Money stress also takes up mental space. If you are always thinking about bills, debt, rent, or what might happen next, part of your brain is always busy. That leaves less energy for everything else. Less focus, less patience, less clear decision-making. This is why financial stress can make people avoid checking accounts, delay decisions, or make impulsive choices. It is not always laziness. It is often overload. When your brain is under pressure, even simple financial tasks can feel heavy. A lot of money anxiety starts early. Many people learn their emotional relationship with money in childhood. If money caused tension at home, your brain may have learned that money equals conflict, or that money is never secure. Some people grow up fearing scarcity. Others avoid money completely because it feels stressful or shameful. And some believe that more money will finally make them feel safe. But that feeling often never fully arrives. These early beliefs can stay with us for years, and they shape how we react to spending, saving, debt, and success. Even when we try to be rational, our brains have shortcuts. And some of those shortcuts make money anxiety worse. One is simple. Loss hurts more than gain feels good. Losing $20 can feel stronger than gaining $20 feels satisfying. So people often fear loss more than they value progress. That can lead to hesitation, overprotection, or panic. There is also another pattern. When income rises, expectations often rise too. A raise feels good at first. Then it becomes normal. Then new spending follows. So even when people earn more, they may still feel squeezed. More income does not always create more peace. Sometimes it just creates a bigger baseline. Money is not only personal, it is social. People naturally compare themselves to others. Friends, co-workers, neighbors, former classmates. And today, social media makes that comparison constant. You do not see everyone's full financial reality. You usually see the polished version. The vacation, the new house, the promotion, the success. That can create a quiet but powerful feeling. I am falling behind. Even if your needs are met, comparison can still make you feel insecure. Because in modern culture, money often gets linked to status, competence, and self-worth. So financial pressure can start to feel personal. Some money anxiety is emotional, but some of it is very real. Prices rise. Groceries cost more. Housing costs more. Healthcare feels expensive and uncertain. And for many workers, income is less predictable than it used to be. Gig work, freelance work, contract work, irregular hours. All of that makes planning harder. And in the US, losing a job can affect much more than income. It can affect healthcare, stability, and your sense of safety. So even people who are doing okay can feel fragile because the system itself feels unstable. This is why money anxiety becomes a cycle. The economy creates pressure. Your past shapes how you interpret that pressure. Your brain treats it like danger. That stress drains your focus. And then it becomes harder to make the calm decisions that might reduce the stress. So the anxiety keeps feeding itself. Money anxiety is not just about poor budgeting. And it is not always about low income. It is often the result of biology, memory, comparison, and uncertainty all working together. That is why money can feel so emotionally heavy. Not because you are bad with money, but because your brain is trying to protect you in a world that often feels financially unstable. And once you understand that, the problem becomes easier to see clearly. This is Simplexplain, complex ideas simply explained.